Hello friends, my name is Harsh. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to see how to install MongoDB in Mac OS. So I'm just going into the browser and you can see I have opened this link mongodb.com download center. There you can see there is an option called server. You can just click on it and then you can just select the current version. In the OS you can choose your OS. So for example Mac OS and then the package and then you can just click on the download. So once you click on the download, this file is getting downloaded and let me show you. I have downloaded here. So this is my zip tzz file which I have downloaded and this is the folder which I have extracted. So now the next step is once it is downloaded, we can go in the terminal. Let me increase the size. In the terminal, I just need to go inside this folder. So I'm typing cd and then this, I'm going inside it. And you can see we have this files and folders. Let me show you directly in the folder. So in this downloaded macOS folder, you can see there is a bin folder. You can go inside the bin folder and you can see the MongoD which we are using for the service. So whenever we are using MongoDB, we need to start the MongoD first and then we can use the Mongo. So I have opened the same folder with my terminal and you can see all the files and folder here. So basically this MongoD is inside the bin folder, so I need to go inside it and then I need to start the server and then I can use the Mongo. So first we need to run this command .bin mongod and then whenever we are running the server we need to define the db path. So you can see here db path is data db. So what I need to do is I need to go in the folder and I'm just creating a folder called data, and inside this folder I will create a new folder called db. So I have just created data db. You can see here in the terminal also you can see the data is coming here and inside this we have the db folder. So as I said, now we need to run this command. So .bin mongod and we need to mention the db path. So I'm just going into the terminal and running this. So you can see once I have run this command, my server is started now and also it is using this db path. So when I'm going inside this data db, you can see right now nothing is created, but when we start the Mongo, it will automatically create the files. So now let me open the new terminal. So I'm creating the new terminal. Let me increase the size. Again I'm going into the same path. And this time we have already started the server. You can see it is running in my background in another terminal, and in this terminal I will start the Mongo. So I just need to run this .bin Mongo because it is inside the bin folder. So .bin, we are going inside the bin and then we are saying start the Mongo and we just need to press the enter, and then you can see friends it is successfully started. Now you can run the command here. So for example, if I want to see the list of the databases, I can just type show databases. If I want to create something, I can write use, for example use employees. So I have just created this database. If I want to create a collection, I can write db dot create collection and let's say my collection name is user. So if I write show collections, I can see the list of the collections. So guys, this is successfully done. So this is how we download and run the MongoDB. Now in the next video, I will tell you how to run this MongoDB as a service, because the way we have installed it right now, we have just downloaded it and then we have just run this command. So we can run the Mongo command, but we always need to go in the bin folder and we need to do this, and then we need to run this Mongo also. But whenever we install MongoDB as a service, then we do not need to do this. We can type MongoDB from anywhere and MongoDB will automatically start it. So I'm going to create a new video which will show you how to use MongoDB as a service. Hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.